Hello, sixth grade. Today is Friday, October 30th, and your work for today is to make sure that you share let's see if I've got one in here, share a slideshow with me. For instance, I don't know what one it was. Here's one from Gavin and Philip. It's just a few slides long, telling about whichever one you chose to write about. So make sure that you share that with me. Today I gave the students about 20-25 minutes in class to work on that. So how about HMH? So that is due today. It's a presentation, so it needs to be done today. And that's after you read your article, which I think Holly asked me a good question about that. Holly asked me, there's my waffle, asked me where is the article, and I'm pretty sure I put it on Google Classroom yesterday. It's right here, right next to the video that you would have watched. So you just open that puppy up, Miss Holly, and there is the zombie article. Okie dokie, hope that answers your question. And then we played a gym kit, and we will be playing more gym kits. If you want to get prepared for next week, then you need to be studying up on any vocab words we've had so far. So you can just get your My Book out and look at anything that we've read, and just look down at the bottoms of the pages, and it lists the words, any vocab words we've had. And what else? That was how we spent our time in class. Make sure that you turn in your cursive writing, Ian. That's due today. And then your assignment for today is to read over the weekend. Just read something for enjoyment. And then also make sure that you are reading your leveled reader. Ian, I believe you haven't opened yours yet. I can see it when I look in at HMH. If I look at my class, and I think you might be a geological event. Not sure if I check it. Yes, it says you haven't started yet. Holly, you have, so that's very good. Thank you for starting it. That's how I can tell. And the last thing, the only other thing you need to do, if you haven't done it all week, is you should have 40 waggle minutes by 8 o'clock tonight. 40 waggle minutes by 8 o'clock tonight. And again, all I have to do is open up my waggle and I can see how many minutes you've been working. So make sure that you are doing this. You're getting grades for it. So work hard. That's it. Have a great weekend. Have a happy Halloween. And I'm really excited to see you guys Monday.